is Natya Shastra? Natya Shastra is the epic, the only known epic which describes dance. There is no other epic which we know. The only dance epic which has described dance, and the description regarding footwork, hand movements, body posture, theatrical elements, theatrical depiction. Only one book that we all know is Natya Shastra, which was written in 800 AD. When was Natya Shastra written? 800 AD. Please write down. You won't remember this. It's not there in your theory either. Who dictated Natya Shastra? Bharat Muni. He is the one who wrote it. There are many theories about this. Many say sage Vashishta wrote it, but we don't know. The only thing that we know is Bharat Muni wrote it in 800 AD. It was written in which language? Sanskrit. Hi darling, will you remember all this? It's not there in your theory. So you're supposed to write it down. Okay, so when was Natya Shastra written? 800 AD by Bharat Muni. This is the only thing that gives you what all I'm talking about. Next, the next question that comes is, the seniors will be asked a question called what is Abhinaya, but these guys will not be asked. I will send you for that explanation too. What is Abhi, what is Naya? Okay, now, the three things that we spoke about last year. What is Natya, what is Nrita, and what is Nritya? Can anybody tell me? What is Nrita? What is Nritya? What is Natya?
Expression.
First one is Nrita. What is Nrita?
Expression.
You're telling me the Nritya. What is Nrita? Can anybody answer?
Dance movements.
You're looking at the paper, are you? It's pure dance. When I show you a dance without poses, without expressions, just my footwork, just the way everything goes, without any kind of theatrical or dramatic element, it's Nrita. You will have to show her what is Nrita. What is Nritya? When expressions are put into it, when poses, there is no, I'm suddenly dancing. I mean, with talking about Krishna, I'm doing everything about Krishna. Suddenly I pose like this. It has got nothing to do with Krishna, but it adds beauty to the dance. So that becomes Nritya. Something which adds beauty that you just do to make the dance look more meaningful. Poses, expressions, body stances, which are not required in the choreography, but you show it to make it look beautiful, becomes Nrita. And what is Natya? Actual dance and expressions together. Okay? That's Natya. This is there in your paper. I've sent it, I'm sure. Yes? Yeah? So if it's not there, please let me know. This is dance. Now Shloka's done. Now coming to the it's the expressions, the dance elements, poses, the dramatic elements. Nritta, N-I-I-T-T-A, is pure dance. Nritya is when the expressions are added to it. Natya is a dramatic element. When the music is added to it, Ravana is coming, dhanan, that music is added to it. That's when Natya, that is Natya. Suddenly, lights are off, suddenly song is put in, all that is Natya. Yeah.
So in the notes it says Nritya is the combination of Natya and Nrita. If they answer it that way, is it okay or do they need to define?
Define it. This is our last year's way of just saying it. This year I want a little more specifically.
Okay.
That's why I told you that you'll also have to enact it. If she says what's Nrita, you have to do footwork or hand movements which has absolute no expression, it's mechanical. Then when you do Nrita, when you do Nritya, you put in your expressions and everything. But when it's Natya, you should say the dramatic elements, the way the lights are used, the way the dialogues are used, the way the song is used, something which is not required, but you do it to give it a fuller picture. gesture. That is Natya.
Thank you.
That is what we all try to do whenever we perform. We are not doing mechanical robot dancing. We all try to, I keep telling you, don't dance from here, dance from here. That is your Natya. We all have to work towards that. So we finished Natya, Nrita and everything. Now we are coming to Nava Rasas. Nava means what? Rasas means what?
Expressions.
Emotions. Bhava is expressions. Rasa is emotions. Tato yato bhavo, tato rasaha. What my expressions are, that my emotions come, follow through. Right? There are only 9 kinds of rasas in the everyday life that we go through. Can anybody tell all the 9 which I have told? Can you stand up and tell me? Can you stand up and tell? That's the word I use. The actual word.
Want to
Don't
know
tell me the meaning.
Want to know the
Like Singara, you know this? Do you know that? Or you know the meanings? Do you know the meanings? And
Here.
I did say something and then you can.
I, what I tell you? I. Okay. Good. She told me 4. There are 9. Okay, can you